Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, let's talk about depression. My daughter is depressed because of her failed marriage. My son has gone into depression because he didn't get admission in the university of his choice. My 10-year-old kid is highly depressed and doesn't talk to anyone because he was insulted in front of his relatives and classmates. But friends, don't take these statements lightly, okay? Now, what is depression? Is it an incurable disease or something? The answer is no. Depression is a mood disorder that causes a persistent feeling of sadness and loss of interest. It affects how you feel, think, and behave and can lead to a variety of emotional and physical problems. Now, why people get depression? What are the causes? Though there are number of causes for depression, the main ones are abuse, stressful life events, genetic vulnerability, faulty mood regulation by the brain, medications and medical problems. School also sometimes contribute to depression. A big event or a buildup of smaller stressful life situations may trigger excessive anxiety. Example, a death in the family, work stress, or ongoing worry about finances, etc. Protective factors for depression are reliable support from family, following rules at home, school, and workplace, emotional self regulation, which is very important, good coping and problem solving skills, good sense of self sufficiency, and most importantly, optimism. Depressed and stressed persons even go into suicidal zone when risk factors are high and protective factors are low. Sounds scary, right? But this is the truth. You know what my cousin does when she gets irritated and depressed with her kids' tantrums? She takes a deep breath and goes out for a long walk. Within 30 minutes, she's out of her depression. There are so many simple ways to come out of your depression. For example, cooking, listening to music, shopping, chilling out with friends, watching a movie, reading a book, playing with kids, gardening. List is endless. You can adopt whichever works for you. Research says even foods cause anxiety and depression. Consumption of lots of meat, fried food, refined cereals, candy, pastries, and high fat dairy products also triggers anxiety and depression. A diet full of whole fiber rich grains, fruits, vegetables, and fish can help you on a more energetic and positive mode, which further helps you to do more productive work. But yes, if you are in a serious depression zone, you need to go for medications. But the main question is why you want to go into depression? There are many simple ways which, if you follow on a daily basis, will relax and calm your mind and mood. Now you will ask me a question, where do I get those tips and ways to follow? Don't worry, just go through all my videos. Each one will be an eye opener, motivating, and also very, very inspirational. Do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Thank you friends for watching. Watch out for my next video. Until then, bye. Take care.